Okay, so hi dear Virgo, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot. This is 7 days, 7 Oshos and tarot messages for all the Virgos and Moon Venus rising from 23rd till the 29th of December. Okay, you can take it as messages, guidance, or simple plain warnings or challenges along your way. I forgot what I had to say. Okay, and I don't know what is happening with me today. I'm overexcited. I don't know why. Energy surge. So bear with me. Chalo, let's start. Okay. अल्लाह beautiful करके चल. So 23rd of December we have the stress. Okay. You might be in this energy of not my monkey, not my circus, but you are making everybody else's circus yours. Don't do that. Don't take too much responsibility or too much of work pressure on yourself, because you might end up exhausting yourself and it's going to stress the hell out of you. So don't do that. So the more you are going to take overload of work or over responsibilities, the more it's going to be difficult for you to handle it, and it's going to cause unnecessary uh, stress. I was about to sneeze. 24th we have the celebration. Finally, you are going to be in the celebration kind of energy. Either you are going to celebrate your success, and or you are going to be in this energy of let's celebrate life, let's take a break, let's celebrate life. Everything will sort out the way it should. At some point of time, I should celebrate my life to the fullest. So you are going to, like, you are going in some kind of celebration or party or get together where you are going to connect with new people, new energies as well, and you are going to have a lot of fun, and or you should, if not. Okay, 23, 25th, we have the silence. On the 25th of December, you are going to be on the silent mode. You are going to be in this energy of listening to your intuition, connecting with your intuition. I just went in some other world. Anyway, so you are going to be in this energy of connecting with your intuition more and more, and the more you are going to be silent, the more you are going to connect with your with the universe within yourself, the more you are going to feel at peace and ease. Okay, cool. Now 23rd, 24th, 25th, 26th, the trust. Okay, trust the process, trust the universe, just jump in the unknown, jump into the unknown. Basically, jumping into the unknown means don't do anything stupid that you know is going to hurt you or harm you in any way. Basically, if you feel you have certain idea in your mind and you know that is going to be good for you, good for your growth, just trust the process, trust the universe, and jump, because the universe got your back and everything is going to be sorted the way it should. It's going to take some time. 27, the rebel. Okay, so something or someone is going to challenge you in some way where you are going to be in this rebellious kind of energy of, okay, let's do something different, let's show the world who I am. So you have to basically stand up for yourself, right? You have to break the chains, you have to break the norms here, maybe societal norms, maybe family issues, or whatever is stopping you from giving your best or from feeling your best. You should focus on that, and you have to rebel, you have to fight for yourself basically. 28, we have the thunderbolt. Wow, you are going to get some kind of shocking news, some kind of shocking revelation, and or something is going to fall apart that is not actually good for you. So if something or someone is going out of your life suddenly out of the blue, it's actually a good sign that something or someone is leaving you that's not good for you at all, for your highest good. So you should say thanks to the universe for that, instead of sulking and crying. Yes, you should definitely sulk or cry till the time you feel better, but afterwards you should stay in this energy of reality, accept the reality, accept the situation for what it is, and keep going ahead. This is how life works, right? 29th, clinging to the past. Then on the 29th of December, you have the tendency to cling to the past, to think about the past. All negative thoughts, all negative patterns, all negative energies might pop up in your energies again, and it might force you to go back in the past and connect with certain kind of negative energies, basically certain kind of patterns or something that you are trying to escape from. They will come back to you just so that you can do something differently, so that you can release it differently. It's not coming back to you so that you can repeat the same cycle again and again. So the past is going to come back to you again and again and again till you're going to do something different about it. Otherwise, it's like something that's going to be repetitive cycle for maybe the rest of your life if you're not going to do anything different about it. That's the deal. Yeah. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Virgo. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste.